Good morning, students. Today we'll do complaint letters. There are two types of complaint letters. First is complaining about the received delivery of goods, and second is complaint about any problem in the society. And these two letters I am sending you, and you write it down and try and understand the language in which these formal letters are written. Don't write examination hall as it is written in this examination hall. You just start it from Sector 20 Chandigarh, January 23, 2021. And then the name of the receiver. Messrs. Oxford Publishing House Consumer Complaint Division, London. Complaint against regarding receipt of wrong set of books. Means you received books, but the set is wrong, means the books are wrong. Sir or madam. On date, you can write date accordingly. I bought a book set to be delivered to Chandigarh Sector 20. To my dismay, I have not received the set I ordered for and have instead received the wrong book set. I am highly disappointed. To solve the problem, I would appreciate it if you could replace the wrong book set with the one originally ordered. Please let me know as soon as possible and what action you propose to take. I look forward to hearing from you within the next 10 days. Enclosed are copies of transaction document and the receipt. I look forward to your reply. You can end your letter only here and the receipt. No need to write the extended paragraph. And after that, we'll write yours sincerely. In place of yours sincerely, you will write here, students, truly, as I have already told you in my previous videos. Now the second letter is a complaint about what? Complaint regarding the issue of bad parking habits in the locality. In the same way, any problem in your colony. Answer again, sender's address, date, receiver's address. Subject, don't write sir before subject. Always sir is written after the subject. I would like to drive your attention to the bad parking habits of residents in our locality. It is resulting in a lot of chaos and no place for parking for those who come back late. Despite defining the areas assigned to each vehicle, cars are parked amidst two parking spots. One vehicle occupies the space for 2 or 3 vehicles, leading to mismanagement. Two-wheelers are placed nowhere near the allotted zone. This creates problem for other people as they have to then spend a lot of time finding parking spots in other localities. It induces frustration and tension for the safety of vehicles. Various notices and warnings have been given to the rule violators, but to our dismay, no betterment can be seen. I request you to take strict action against, as this is leading to fights between the residents. An effective and speedy action is expected considering the depth of the situation. Yours sincerely, again you won't write here sincerely, you will write truly, Sanjeet, a concerned citizen. So you write these two types of letters. One is complaint against delivery material. There can be any other complaint also. Here is the set of books is wrong. The books are misprinted, or some of the pages are torn, or some of the pages are missing. Any reason can be given for complaint. Suppose there is a letter, furniture, you purchased furniture and wrong wood is used, quality wood is not used, finishing is not proper, any complaint. Then if you purchase a refrigerator, then complaint about the working of the refrigerator. In the same case, in the working of the washing machine, any complaint you can write. And in the case of the second letter, here there is a problem of parking. There may be problem of theft. There may be problem of traffic. Any problem, you can write such letters. Thank you, students. Write these letters on your note.